Hello, DDP students, and welcome to the next tutorial. In this one, we're going to be building a joystick and adding it to this Degrees of Freedom assembly. And so in the last tutorial, we created a new component and we called it joystick, and it's now active. So we are now going to create a sketch. And we want to choose the front planes. We want to make sure that the view cube is facing front. And for this, we are going to create a circle that has a 1.5 diameter. Okay, so we're just going to set that diameter here, 1.5. And we're going to zoom in and activate our line tool. From the center, we're going to make a 90-degree line, and then another one down here. Okay, and just to clean things up, I'm going to click off constraints, okay, to make it neat. And I'm going to finish the sketch. Go to revolve. I'm going to choose this half from my profile, and for the axis, I'm going to choose the center line. Okay, hit OK. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my sketches folder. Okay, we want the sketch active. We want to right click and edit the sketch. We're going to take another circle. From the center, we're going to do a 0.25. And then we're going to finish the sketch. And we're going to go to our extrude. Okay, and because the sketch is active, we're able to grab those faces. So it's right in the center. And we're going to give it a distance of 2.5, 2.5. When it's red, actually want it to go the other way. So I'm going to do a negative. When it's red, it's at a cut. So we want to make sure it's at a join. Okay. And we're going to set that. So what we're going to do now is we are going to create a new sketch on this face. Okay, let's center that. We're going to go to our circle, and from the center, right here, we're going to give this a 1.5 diameter. Zoom out. Okay, so it's kind of the same diameter as the sphere. Okay, so now we are going to finish the sketch. And we're going to extrude this with a distance of, oops, keep that right there. Choose the face, and we're going to choose both faces here and give that distance a 0.2. Okay, we're going to set that. And now we're going to activate our fillet, zoom in, and we're going to smooth out that edge right here. Okay, and we're going to give that a 0.1. Move this over. Hang on. 0.1. We're going to, oh, okay, hold on. 0.1. There we go. Okay, cool. Hit enter. We're gonna and what we're going to be doing is we're going to apply an assembly joint. And this time we're going to change the motion to ball. We're going to choose the ball. Oh, let's go back to position. We're going to choose the ball. Okay. And for our target, we are going to choose, okay, let me just clean things up a little bit. Move this over. There we go. And we want to get a center target there. All right, cool. So we should be able to even once we set this to drag it into position, just not into position, but sort of just up and not kind of in an upward position. Okay, and that is going to kind of do it for that part. So we're going to move on to our next component. We're going to go to create, new component, and this one we're going to call slider 1. Okay, and that's where we'll leave off. I'll see you in the next tutorial.